Hello students, in this module we are going to study about the Mughal administration. So let's get started. The splendor and stability of the Mughal rule was due to a succession of very capable rulers who attempted to build an efficient administrative system. The Mughal administrative system was based on a centralized dictatorship system. All powers were vested in the emperor, also known as Badshah or monarch. He was regarded as God's shadow on the earth. The emperor was assisted by a council of ministers. The Prime Minister or Wazir was the most important one amongst them. The Mughal Empire was divided into a number of small provinces called Subas. Each Suba was ruled by a Subedar or governor. During the reign of Akbar, there were 15 Subas. The Subas were further divided into Sarkars and Sarkars were divided into Paraganas. The village was at the lowest level of administration. Land revenue was the main source of income for the state. Raja Todarmal, who had worked with Sher Shah earlier, was appointed as the revenue minister of Akbar's court. Akbar made improvisation to the land revenue system introduced by Sher Shah. Hence, Sher Shah is often known as the forerunner of Akbar. Later, the Zapti system was introduced under which all the land was measured by a uniform system of measurement. Based on the fertility of the land and the yield of the crops, the lands were divided into several categories. The land tax fixed was 1/3 of the average yield, which was payable either in cash or in kind. In tough situations such as floods or famines, tax remissions were given. The revenue officers were instructed to be kind to the peasants. Akbar introduced the Mansabdari system. Mansab means rank or place. Each mansab was valued based on the number of horsemen they had. The mansabs were graded in the range of 10 to 10,000 mansabs. The mansabs had to maintain foot soldiers in addition to the horses. The mansabdars had to assist the emperor during the war times. In return of this, they were paid fixed salaries. The king was at the apex of the judicial system. He was assisted by the chief Qazi. The cases were tried in accordance with the law prescribed in the Quran. Let us now have a recap of what we have covered in this module of Mughal administration.